For those individuals who are struggling with first knowing what their purpose is, and much less being able to articulate it and to live it, are there any suggestions, anything that you can suggest that may very well help them?
Well, I must say thank you for having this project. I think you have allowed a lot of people to really, including myself, of course, to really look and see what exactly is purpose. It's not something that people, generally think about. But for those who are interested in finding what their purpose is and believing that if they do know what their purpose is, that they can live a more fulfilled life because they will act in congruence with their purpose, I think we can start by looking at the little things day by day. Purpose doesn't have to be a big overarching major deal. It doesn't have to be, oh, my purpose is to save the world. Purpose can be something small. Purpose can be something where it's just making someone smile for that day. So I think people can be mindful. Start with being mindful of yourselves and your actions, and take notice of the things that are going on in your life. And then from there, you will see a pattern that starts to develop, and then you will be better able to identify purpose. As for me, as I said, I don't think I have any one purpose. And I also don't think there's any just one major event that's the purpose of my life. I think on a daily basis, I have purpose. And I think if people were to just take it on a minute by minute, day by day thing, they will find purpose. Don't sit down and wait to find purpose in something big. I have to do something huge for it to be purposeful. Purpose can be found in minute things. And once we start with that, we will start to see wherein all the different purposes we serve. And for some of us, we might even find that one big major purpose. I haven't found that big major purpose yet. And honestly, I'm not really looking for it. I am just being mindful of my actions as much as I can be mindful of the things that I allow to come out of my mouth, and just taking it day by day.